Welcome to the English Learning from Scratch series. In this video, we will explore effective strategies to improve your writing skills. Writing is a fundamental skill that helps you communicate clearly and express your ideas effectively. Whether you're writing emails, essays, or creative content, the techniques you'll learn in this video will help you become a better writer. Let's begin this journey to master the art of writing. Writing is the art of expressing your thoughts, ideas, and information through written words. It's a form of communication that allows you to share your message with others in a clear and organized way. Writing serves many purposes. You might write to inform, persuade, entertain, or express your feelings. Unlike speaking, writing gives you time to think, organize your ideas, and revise before sharing. This makes writing a powerful tool for purposeful communication. There are different types of writing, each serving different purposes. Formal writing includes academic papers, business documents, and professional emails. This type of writing follows strict grammar rules and uses professional language. Informal writing is more relaxed and includes personal emails, text messages, and casual letters to friends. Understanding which type of writing to use in different situations is crucial. Choose the right style based on your audience and purpose. This skill will make your communication more effective. Before you start writing, it's important to prepare. The pre-writing stage has 3 main steps. First, brainstorm your ideas freely without worrying about grammar or structure. Second, organize your thoughts into an outline. Third, plan the overall structure of your writing. This preparation stage saves you time and helps you write more clearly. By spending time planning before you write, your final piece will be better organized and easier to understand. Brainstorming is the process of generating ideas for your writing. Mind mapping is one effective technique. Create a central circle with your main topic, then draw branches for related ideas. This visual approach helps you see connections between ideas. Another method is free writing. Set a timer for 10 minutes and write continuously without stopping or editing. Write whatever comes to your mind. Don't worry about grammar or spelling. This technique helps unlock your creativity and generates raw material for your writing. An outline is your writing blueprint. It helps you organize your thoughts logically. A good outline has 3 levels. First, write your main topic in 1 sentence. This is the central idea of your writing. Second, add 3 to 5 subpoints that support your main topic. These are your key ideas. Third, add details under each subpoint. Include examples, facts, and specific information. A well-structured outline makes the actual writing process much faster and easier. Now it's time to write your first draft. Remember, your first draft doesn't need to be perfect. Write fast and focus on getting your ideas on paper. Don't pause to edit grammar or spelling right now. That comes later. Follow your outline carefully. Fill in the details you planned. Keep your ideas flowing smoothly. Your main goal is to complete a full draft. You can refine and improve it afterwards. Many successful writers say that writing a rough draft is the most important step. After your first draft is complete, editing makes it better. There are 2 main types of editing. Content editing focuses on the big picture. Check if your ideas are organized logically. Make sure your arguments flow well and support your main point. Remove information that doesn't belong. Line editing focuses on smaller details. Improve word choices. Make sentences clearer and more concise. Fix awkward phrasing. This 2-step approach helps you refine your writing until it's polished and professional. Good grammar is essential for clear writing. 2 fundamental rules are especially important. First is subject-verb agreement. Your subject and verb must match. For example, the student writes is correct, but the student write is wrong. Second is tense consistency. If you start writing in past tense, continue using past tense throughout. Don't switch between past and present randomly. Mastering these basic grammar rules makes your writing more professional and easier to understand. Your readers will appreciate the clarity. Sentence variety keeps your writing interesting. Don't use all long sentences or all short sentences. Mix them together. A short sentence can emphasize an important point. A longer sentence can provide more detail. Also vary your sentence structures. Use simple sentences with 1 main idea. Use compound sentences that join 2 equal ideas. Use complex sentences that show relationships between ideas. This variety creates rhythm and flow in your writing. It keeps readers engaged and interested throughout your piece. Avoiding common mistakes improves your writing quality. Repetition is a frequent problem. Don't use the same word or phrase too many times. Use synonyms or rephrase your ideas. Another common mistake is using passive voice excessively. Passive voice makes sentences weak and unclear. For example, the report was written by the manager is passive. Change it to the manager wrote the report. This is active voice and is stronger. Fix these mistakes before submitting your final draft. Becoming a skilled writer requires consistent practice. Set aside 15 minutes every day to write. This could be journaling, writing short stories, or practicing with prompts. Daily practice builds your writing confidence and skills. Also seek feedback from others. Share your writing with friends, teachers, or writing groups. Listen to their suggestions and learn from their perspective. Practice combined with feedback accelerates your improvement. Remember, every professional writer started as a beginner. With consistent effort and dedication, you will master writing skills and become a confident writer.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.